So we got a Trane Voyager, the blank thermostat. Assuming we've tripped a breaker or lost our 24 volts. LED's off, so we got no voltage. One of these guys may have crapped out on us. This thing looks pretty old. So let's see what kind of voltage we got. That wire didn't look too healthy right there. Oh, something happened. It just clicked when I hit that wire there. So we do have voltage. Oh yeah, got a little jumpy there. That contactor there sparked and blower just kicked on, so I'm gonna shut it off before something blows up. Just to be safe, let's check our voltage again. Alright, so we got nothing coming in. Nothing to ground. That's not a good connection there. Contactor doesn't look terrible, so we're gonna get this cleaned up so nothing explodes and see where we go from there. So now that we got our wire out of the way, we see what happened. That transformer didn't have power because my middle terminal is not connected. That's what I saw spark, was that floating around back in there. So we'll get this fixed and ought to take care of our problem. Well, we got a new contactor in. I know it's upside down. I'm not that OCD this late in the afternoon, but started her back up. Placed the discharge valve core, it was leaking. Pulled my gauges off of it right now because head pressure running about 300 psi, just as I suspected late in the day, and I'd say the condenser needs to be cleaned. Of course, I was pulled off of a maintenance to come run service, and my hoses are left at the maintenance, so our maintenance guy's supposed to be bringing me some hoses. We'll get this bad boy cleaned up, and temp drop looked good. Superheat was okay on the compressors, so just waiting on a hose and use some of this and clean her up real good. We ought to be all right. So I was rushing. I spared y'all the checking the charge, but coil's clean. She's breathing now. Looks a whole lot better. All this crap came out of it. Plus a bunch of wire ties and everything else. Cleared the drain. She's draining. We got a 21 degree temp drop. Compressors, everything, amp draw's good. She looks good, so let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe.